You probably know Facebook knows a lot about you, but what you might not know is that Facebook also tracks the site you visit when you are online, even if you are off Facebook. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to stop Facebook from tracking you. On your phone, open your Facebook app. On the top right corner, click on this icon. From there, scroll down till you locate Settings and Privacy and click it. Proceed to Settings. Then you need to scroll down till you locate Off Facebook Activity and click it. From there, locate View and Manage Activity. So these are my Off Facebook Activity. So when I scroll down, you could see a lot of trackings that Facebook have been doing on all my browsing history. And as I'm scrolling, you could see this is just for 2022. I'm continuing scrolling down. These are plenty. So these are some of the things that Facebook have been doing to track us, whether we are browsing on their site or not. So to clear all this, you can go up and you have the option to clear all history. You can also select the activity you wish to turn it off. So as at now, you see this is a summary of the 315 apps and websites that you have shared your activity with. Oh, what the hell? Did I share up to 315 apps with Facebook? I never knew about this. But this is Facebook for you. They've been tracking me all along. So to make sure this doesn't happen again, I can proceed to the top right ellipsis and click it. So I have the option to access my information. I can also download it. I can also manage the future activity. Let's proceed to manage future activity and click it. From there, proceed to manage future activity again. Then when you are here, you can turn off your future activity. Now Facebook will not be able to see your future activity. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.